Position the extension band on the posterior aspect of the AFO with the snap stop window directly over the snap stop. If the snap stop is not used, position the bottom of the snap stop window level with the axis of the ankle joint. Mark the location of the two lower mounting holes on the plastic with a marking pencil or with a hot poker. Drill a 1/8 inch hole at the marked points. Secure the lower band with speedy rivets for dynamic extension or copper rivets for static extension. Once the two bottom holes are secured, stretch the extension band over the AFO and mark the two upper mounting holes. To increase tension in the extension band, drill your holes slightly up and out from your marks. Drill a 1/8 inch hole at the marked points. Stretch the extension band slightly, if dynamic, and align the holes. Secure the upper band with speedy rivets for dynamic extension or copper rivets for static extension.